So, a little activity or a small experiment. You can take 2 test tubes, label them A and B. In one you put boiled rice grains, in the other you put chewed rice grains after you have chewed them in the mouth, and then add a little of water in both and then few drops of iodine solution. What do you find? That A turns blue black because rice has starch, but B does not turn blue black. Where has starch gone? The starch has changed to sugar. If you would eat rice or chapati even without anything, it is just without any taste, sugar or sweet or anything or salty. After chewing for a while, it will start changing, tasting sweet. Why this happens? Because the starch has changed into sugar. So, that is the role of saliva. Once the food has been chewed by the teeth and mixed with saliva, it turns into small balls or small lumps, and then it is swallowed and it goes into the next part. Now, what is the next part? The next part is the food pipe or the oesophagus. The mouth opens into a long and narrow tube which is called oesophagus. It is just a straight tube, and because it is long and narrow, it is called food pipe, a tube or pipe through which food passes. And where is this food pipe? In the chest region, here. It just goes straight, passes through the chest region or the thorax as it is called, and then goes into the abdomen. In the oesophagus, the food does not change in any way at all, but of course, it is just pushed. So, in a way you can say food pipe is a connection between mouth and stomach. And the food is passed because this tube is continuously contracting and relaxing like this. This kind of movement is called peristalsis. It is not just the oesophagus which shows peristalsis. In fact, the entire alimentary canal shows peristalsis, and it is by virtue of this peristalsis that food moves from one part to the other. So, we can say that the oesophagus is a connection and it transports food from mouth to the stomach.